it's Mark here with M2M Detail. In this video, guys, we're going to be talking about how you can make an extra $100 a day detailing cars. So real quick, guys, if you haven't, please like and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. But let's get straight into the video, how you can make more money doing your job. Boom. On your PayMerch account, I use Square. If you're using something else, that's totally fine. Make sure you have your ad tips on, guys. Easy to do, and you're gonna make a lot more money with that. So it's gonna cover your transaction fees. You're gonna get more money in your pocket. It's a win-win-win. And if a customer really likes the job you're doing, so do a little bit extra if you can. You know, just do those little final touches. That's gonna get you a tip, and it's gonna get you a bigger tip. So make sure you do that. Customers wanna know they have access to adding a tip if they want to. So big plus right there, guys. It's gonna increase your revenue for the day or the month, the year. Everything's gonna add up. It's gonna help you guys out. So make sure you do that. That's a big thing. Next way to increase your revenue, guys, is sell a chemical line. If you guys don't know about selling chemicals, or you don't know how to do it, make sure you got your business license, seller permit, all those paperwork's in order, EIN number, and then contact a company you guys like using, hit them up for a dealer account or a wholesale account. Buy at a cheaper price, sell back at the regular price or the DAP, wherever they tell you to sell at. You're gonna make a little bit extra money, guys. So if you're doing ceramic coating, of course, your customer is going to ask you like how do I maintain the vehicle, how do I wash the vehicle, is it okay to take the vehicle to an automatic car wash, which is no, don't do that. But, you know, they're going to ask you all those questions. So make sure you guys have, towels, wash minutes, inside, outside chemicals, wheels, tires, all the chemicals you need to maintain the vehicle. Drying towels, plush towels. Everyone loves plush towels for the interior. They get all the little cracks. They get the dust right off real easy. This is going to help you increase your revenue, and you're going to have some backup products at your shop or in your van or your truck, wherever you guys are at located. This is gonna help you guys out. If you run out of a chemical, you can just go to the cab or the showroom, grab a chemical, get back to work. So you're not gonna be waiting for chemicals if you're running that low. That's another win-win right there. It's gonna increase your revenue, guys. It's real simple, real easy to do. I hope this is beneficial for you guys. And as always, Mark out.